Now we will discuss the automotive safety of passive safety of vehicles. The passive safety includes all the features and measures in the vehicle that minimize the consequences of an accident or prevent it. Passive safety is especially important when the driver cannot actively intervene in the affairs of the road anymore. Passive safety system can be divided into external exterior security and internal interior security. External safety. The term passive safety includes all actions associated with the vehicle which are useful in minimizing injuries in road traffic collisions and outside the vehicle. Factors that determine the external safety are the behavior of the car body during deformation and the external shape of the car body. Internal security is the protection of the vehicle by those kind of measures that are minimizing the acceleration and initial. Internal forces on the passengers in the event of an accident and also provide through enough space for survival and ensure the operability of the critical components of the vehicle to reduce passengers from the vehicle. Important for passenger safety are the behavior of the car body during deformation, strength of the passengers compartment and a large living space during accidents, restraints, deceleration systems, bump in the interior control system, deliverance of passengers, fire protection. So there are the some passive safety features which is first is airbag. The airbag may be front, window, side, knee, front to the rear passengers, prevent the collision of the body respectively. Individual body parts of the steering wheel, instrument panel and the other interior parts of the vehicle absorb shock and reduce the risk of injury. Next is active head restraints. In case of an accident, they are moving forward and upward, thus reducing the risk of neck injuries. Next is anti-slip passenger system, which prevents slipping of the pelvic area from the seat in the event of a frontal collision. Safety belt. Safety features of the vehicle structure such as which are increasing the firmness of the car body in the event of collision by creating zones with progressive deformation and absorption capacity. Collapsible steering column. Child lock prevents opening the car door from inside. Electric lock with automatic locking. Parking assist. FPS fire protection system. So these are the some passive safety system which are used in the cars. So now we will discuss about the airbag. The airbag specified for automobile use traces its origins to air-filled bladders as early as 1941. John W. Hattrick, an industrial engineer and member of the United States Navy, designed the original safety cushion commonly referred to as an airbag. It was designed based on his experience with compressed air from torpedoes during his service in the Navy, as well as a need to provide protection for his family in their automobile during accidents. Hattrick worked with the major American automobile corporation at the time, but they chose not to invest in it. In 1967, a breakthrough occurred in the development of airbag crash sensors when Alan K. Braid invented a mechanically based ball-in tube component for crash detection. An electromechanical sensor with a steel ball attached to a tube by a magnet that would inflate an airbag under a 30 milliseconds window. Sodium azide instead of compressed air was also used for the first time during inflation. Braid Corporation then marketed this innovation first to Chrysler. Definition. So, what is a airbag? An airbag is an elastic bag or cushion like makeup which inflates and deflates quickly at some stage in certain types of car accident. It is a safety device aimed at preventing or minimizing injury to passengers when such an accident occurs. So we finish our lecture.